Hello students, already we have learned matrices chapter. Okay, we have seen inverse, adjoint method, how to find A inverse, then B inverse, and also 2 by 2 and 3 by 2. Now we will go for our second chapter. Now which is the second chapter? Second chapter is our derivatives. Derivatives means for paper 2. Actually it was limits and continuity, but limits and continuity is eliminated from our syllabus. It is cancelled. Now so our first chapter in paper 2 is derivatives. So we will go for second chapter. Now what is mean by derivatives? Derivatives means reduction, reducing the function. Reduction. So derivatives means reduction, reducing the function. Suppose function means f of x. Function means f of x. What is f of x? F of x means an function in x, an equation in x, an equation in variable x, in one variable. If suppose y, then f of y. If z, then f of z. So only in one variable, but not different variables. So function f of x. So what is the meaning of function f of x? Function f of x means an equation in x or one question in x. That is the meaning of f of x. Okay, so we write all the questions by the notation as f of x. What? F of x means function in x. Now, actual what is we have to learn in this chapter? Actual we have to learn that is the command of derivatives, symbol of derivatives, the command given to derivatives. So what is that we will see. So derivatives, what is that command? What we read always we say derivatives is an important chapter in engineering. We apply most of the part of this derivatives. Most for engineering this is the most important chapter. So derivatives, what is that derivative? What is that command? So the command is d by dx. What is this command? Command is d by dx. So how will you read this? Derivatives with respect to x. How will you read this? Derivatives with respect to x. Derivatives with respect to x. So we read in this form. So what is the meaning of d by dx? D by dx means the derivatives with respect to x. This is the command, and by giving command only we have to simplify question. You know, in computer how we give command C++ enter, like that only in chapter for the derivatives we have command as d by dx, which means the derivatives with respect to x. But this long form we will not write while solving the question. So what we will write while solving the question? We will write this command d by dx means derivative with respect to x. Okay, no need to write this completely. This we have to keep in our mind. D by dx means we have to read in our mind. D by dx we see means derivatives with respect to x. Now it is not compulsory that it will be in x only. It can be another parameters, another variables. So another parameters. What are the different parameters? X is one parameter you have seen. T is another parameter. Theta is another parameter. So these are the two our initial or famous parameters. So it can be written as d by dt, derivative with respect to t. Theta, d by d theta, derivatives with respect to theta. In this form also you can write d by dt, derivatives with respect to t. D by d theta, derivatives with respect to theta. In this way we pronounce this command. So we have to observe this command, we have to read in our mind. Because while writing only we will write this d by dt, d by d theta, d by dx. So wherever we observe d by dx, it means we have to obtain derivatives with respect to x. Understood? This is the most important part of the command for derivatives. Now derivatives means reduction. Just we have to apply formula and we have to simplify. Everything is based on formula. If you will by heart the formula, you will revise it properly, write and see again and again. You will by heart that properly formula. Then easily you can solve the questions of this chapter. Very easy chapter, only based on formula, and it is very easy. So what is this d by dx? This is derivatives with respect to x. Now some of the important things I will explain you. Now suppose a function f of x. Suppose y is a function of x. What is y? Y is a function of x. means y is a question in x. Function means question only a given name function, because several variables are there, several power variables are there, several power variable I said, means x power 4, x power 3, x power 2. That's why function is mentioned, not the linear. Linear means the power of x is 1. So y is equal to f of x, means y is a question in x, y is a function of x, means y is depending on x, y is depending on x, and x is an independent variable. What is y? Dependent. What is x? Independent variable. This is just introduction of the chapter. Y is equal to f of x, means y is a function of x. So when x changes, y will change. That's why y is depend on x. When x will change, y will also change, but y changes, x will not change. Understand? So x is mentioned as independent variable, y is mentioned as dependent variable. Understood? This is very important for us to know. Y is a function of x, and in all the complete chapter we will refer the function by y symbol only. Okay, variable, because y is a function of x, y is equal to f of x. Now when we obtain the derivative, finding the derivative, what is the symbol that you have to learn? Today it is an introduction chapter, today it is an introduction class. All the format, all the notations I will explain you, then only we will go for our question, okay, by giving formula. Today only introduction I will give about the derivatives, and this all introduction part you have to keep in your mind, then only you will understand what is the derivative, what is the notation, what is the command. Now y is a function of x, y is a function of x, y depends on x, x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. So we obtain derivative. Now when we obtain derivative, we will not write long command, we will give shortcut. Differentiate with respect to x. So how will you spell this? How will you read this? Differentiate with respect to x, because here is x, so with respect to x. How will you read this command? Differentiate with respect to x. Correct? So what is the derivative of y? That is important for a whole chapter, we will see that. Derivative of y, we will give the command dy dx. As it is an introduction part, so by giving command we will write. It is not necessary in exam to give the command also. Dy dx of y, dy dx of f of x. So we give the command dy dx. Now what is the derivatives of y? That is important for us. In whole chapter we will mention this only. What is the derivatives of y? Dy by dx. Correct? Dy by dx. What is the derivative of f of x? F dash x. Correct? So derivative of y, dy by dx, and derivative of f of x, f dash x. So this is the introductional part of our chapter. Now first of all we should know what is derivatives. Already I have mentioned you reduction. The notation d by dx means the derivative with respect to x, that is command. Y is equal to f of x, y is a function of x, x is independent variable, y is a dependent variable. Then differentiating command you give. So derivatives of y, dy by dx, and derivatives of f of x, f dash x. What is this dash? Dash means we have obtained the derivative. Now f we cannot change to g, h or z. We cannot change the notation of f. But something we have to give that mark. It shows that the derivative is obtained. So we give dash. It means the derivative is obtained. So derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of f of x, f dash x. So this is very important for us. In whole chapter we have to do same. Only formula we have to put and some notation. So what is important notation? Derivatives of y, dy by dx. Okay. So this is an introduction part. The remaining will start from tomorrow. I will give you formulas. We will learn it. We will by heart it, and then only we will go for solving question. Because without formula we cannot move even one step also. So we have to remember that formula. So all the formulas I will give you tomorrow. Then we shall start questions. Okay. Thank you.